Guys, it's Jackson. I'm with my friend Liam, and we're going to a little pond that's on a trail, and we're gonna be going for some bass. My dad let me use his bait caster, even though it's right-handed and I'm left-handed reeling, so I can't believe that. Look at that mouth. My scale sucks, that's why I'm buying a new one. That's the fish that Trevor missed. That's crazy, guys. I cannot believe that.
Just literally caught the fish about a minute ago, and Jackson just reeled this plane.
Like my bait literally just hit the water and he did it.
Check
There you
out
go,
this.
nice old bass. Oh, there it goes.
Nice, yeah.
Whew, finally got a fish. All right, this bait has been good to me.
Hey, you had the GoPro on too.
Yeah, just turn it on. Jeez. Ow! No! Yes. Yes. I just turned my GoPro on because I saw him. Oh, I gotta wash him off. Okay, my shoe just got soaked. Sorry, buddy. All right, there we go. Got another fish. Number 2. Let's go. Boom, what you say? So yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm gonna catch.
Whoa.
You got hit?
Oh, big one, big one, big fish on the line. Oh my God. Real big fish. I'm recording. This is a big fish.
That's the same bat.
Please don't snap.
Alright,
I don't know.
I think it is.
That looks like the same one, dude.